It's Carrie the chemist, and I am fascinated by the investment world. So today I just want to share one of my favorite companies with my new investors, people who just want to learn more about stocks and how to trade stocks. And I thought it would be informative just to share this popular stock with you today. So if you want to learn more, just watch this video. It's a short one, I promise. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe to my channel. So on my screen, it shows P&G. P&G is a company that makes a lot of products that women love. So if you go into any house in anywhere in the world, pretty much, you will find these products. So if you live anywhere, whether in the Caribbean, Africa, in the US, in Canada, you will find these products. So for those of us who have kids, the Pampers brand, there's the Tide that we do our laundry with. There is the Charming paper, not the paper towel, tissue, the Olay for makeup, skincare, the Pantene shampoo, the Crest toothpaste, the batteries, the paper towel bounty, Gain, Dawn, like we have used all these products. So I always wonder, why is it that more people do not invest in stocks? Stocks is just owning a piece of a company. So if I'm buying these products every day, spending my hard-earned money, and I have this opportunity to own a bit of this company and get back a percentage of what I spend daily, monthly, weekly, like there is nothing to lose. Like these are companies that won't die, they've been around forever. So let us look more at the financial aspect of this company. So let us look at Yahoo Finance and see Procter and Gamble. And we see here that this is the price of one share. So it's 176 US dollars for one share of Procter and Gamble. So let's say you have $1,000 or $2,000 and you're wondering, what do I do with this money? If you have extra money lying around and you want to buy 10 stocks of Procter Gamble, you can speak to your broker and purchase 10 stocks of Procter Gamble, and now you own a piece of the company. In addition to owning these shares, so the price of stocks will go up and down from time to time. As you look at the graph, you can see where it has consistently been in this range of price for a long time. So it doesn't grow immensely, but you get what is called a dividend. So the company gives you a percentage of whatever profit that they make. And it shows here that forward dividend and yield is 2%. So I'm able to make 2% on my investment every year. It didn't say quarter. I don't know if it's a quarter or yearly, but I'm going to say it's yearly. And that's 2% on your money. That's better than putting it in a savings account where it goes 0.01%. So this is just one of the ways that we can make money with less risk while we go about our everyday lives, we can own a piece of company that we are using in our everyday lives anyways. So it's like a two for one benefit. So as I said, this is going to be a short video. All I'm saying is just think about the benefits of owning strong, safe companies that we use every day with no thought about spending. So instead of being consumers only, we should also think about things and products and companies that we can make money from also. Okay, guys. Thanks for listening to me today. Have a good day. Bye.